After upgrade to Django 1.11 append underscore slash no longer works. In Django 1.9 and Python 3.4, the default of append underscore slash worked correctly, i.e. I could enter localhost :8000 /idiatree /videos and the trailing slash would be added. After an upgrade to Django 1.11 and Python 3.6, append underscore slash is no longer working. I've looked for deprecation notices but so far found nothing that seems to apply. Side question: how do you turn loud deprecation warnings back on, as they were in previous versions? Here is my main urls.py. And the urls.py from the included app underscore space. Both these url.py files are unchanged except that in Django 1.9 I had in the main urls.py, but patterns is now deprecated and throws a warning. As before, I do not have append underscore slash set in settings.py, relying on its default value of true, though I tried explicitly setting it to true with the same result. Here's my middleware. Here's the error. I also tried clearing the browser cache, and using a different browser in case the cache still didn't get cleared. Logging to file at level debug or level info shows nothing, an empty file. Warning: my logging setup is untested. There's got to be something I'm overlooking.
Django introduced new middleware in Django 1.10. You should use the middleware setting if you are using new style middleware, and middleware underscore classes if you are using old style middleware. If you are using Django 1.10 or 1.11, then the old middleware underscore classes setting is still supported, so Django should continue to redirect with the appended slash. However, once you upgrade to Django 2.0, the middleware underscore classes setting is ignored and you must switch over to middleware. When you switch over to middleware, you should remove session authentication middleware since it has no effect in 1.10 and 1.11, and is removed completely in Django 2.0.